Today our instrument is equipped with a set of these products, which is the small bubble solution. 123. Those are the small bubble solutions. It is used for facial cleansing. And bottle number 4 is used for cleaning the line, to clean this handle and the lines inside the instrument. Now let's talk about its operation. This is an Android 9 system. The startup time is a bit longer. Okay, from here, we can choose the language English, Chinese interface. After we select English, then click this, Start. Then from 123,456 can be pulled over this way. Enter through any of these icons below. After entering, its first interface is the operation interface for this cupping cup. Here is to adjust the suction power of this cupping cup. When using it, there is a hole on this cupping cup. Then block this hole, and you can operate it. This is for adjusting the suction power. The maximum is 16. Then pause. After pausing, then on this interface, we go further. Swipe this way. This interface then enters the operation interface for this bubble pen. This is to adjust the suction power of the bubble pen. As for the water flow size, we use this one on the handle. It has a switch here to adjust. Take a look. Towards the minus side is to decrease. Towards the plus side is to increase. Then, how do we choose this liquid bottle? Let's take a look. When these blue switches are turned down, they are all on. But if we say we choose bottle number 1, we flip it up. Flipping it up means bottle number 1 will dispense water when start working. So, this is the water from bottle number 1. Then, if I want bottle number 2 to dispense water, I'll flip bottle number 1 down, then flip bottle number 2 up. This is a product from bottle number 2. Then it is the same for bottle number 3. Flip bottle number 2 down, flip bottle number 3 up. This is the selection for bottles 1, 2, and 3. Then if I want to insert this ampoule essence, how do we operate it? We need to take this handle here, right? Let's pause first. Pull it out from the tail here. We can see there is a lock-like thing. Towards this side, it is already open. After opening it, then pull it down like this. After pulling it off, we take this product. Let's look at our product. It has an aluminum cap on top. Do not remove the aluminum cap completely. Just take off half, a small half. This cap still needs to stay on top. Then we insert it like this. After inserting it like this, and we restart it. Now the product we are getting is the product coming out from this ampoule bottle. Then we can adjust this size to regulate the water flow size, the amount of product output. Take a look. Isn't it much smaller now? Okay, this is the operation of this handle. Now if we are finished using it, just pull this off. Take a look. If the bottle is disassembled like this, it cannot be stuffed inside. If you stuff it inside, this cap will stay in this inside the handle and you can't get it out, which means this handle is ruined. Then how do we clean this pen? And how to clean the tubing? Then we need to take this. We put this on. Put it on. We pull off this bubble, head in front. Pause and pull it off. Our instrument comes with a cap like this. We put this cap on. After putting it on, we select this bottle, slide up this cleaning water bottle, and then start the instrument. It is now already automatically cleaning this pen and the tubing inside the instrument, and also this we can see the tube on top. Can you see it? Yeah, this is already automatically cleaning. And then take a look. Our tubing is also being cleaned. Okay, after cleaning is finished, we just need to press pause.